Welcome, everyone, to Module 1 of our Reality Transurfing course. I'm thrilled to embark on this transformative journey with each and every one of you. In this module, we will lay the foundation by introducing you to the principles and concepts of Reality Transurfing, a powerful approach to shaping your reality. So let's dive in. Reality Transurfing is a fascinating philosophy that offers a fresh perspective on how we can actively create the reality we desire. It explores the idea that there are multiple potential realities or variations of our lives, and we have the power to consciously choose the reality we want to experience. In Reality Transurfing, we understand that our thoughts, emotions, and actions are like energy waves that interact with the vast ocean of possibilities. By aligning ourselves with the desired reality, we can navigate and surf these waves to manifest our goals and dreams. This approach emphasizes the importance of intention, focus, and taking conscious actions that align with our desired outcomes. It invites us to become conscious creators rather than passive participants in our own lives. Now, let's take a moment to set clear intentions for this course. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and reflect on what you hope to achieve through Reality Transurfing. What goals do you want to manifest? What changes do you desire in your life? Allow these intentions to fill your mind and heart. As we progress through this course, remember that your intentions are powerful. They serve as the guiding light that will shape your experience and bring about the transformation you seek. The journey of Reality Transurfing is not about wishful thinking or relying solely on external circumstances. It's about understanding the underlying principles of reality and harnessing your inner power to consciously create the life you desire. Throughout this course, we will delve into various modules that will explore different aspects of Reality Transurfing, including pendulums, intention setting, visualization, and more. Each module will provide you with practical tools and techniques to empower you on your journey of conscious creation. That concludes our introduction to Reality Transurfing in Module 1. I encourage you to embrace this philosophy with an open mind and a willingness to explore new possibilities. Together, we will unlock the secrets of conscious creation and transform our lives. Thank you for joining me today.